Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to completely uninstall applications that won't uninstall. So let's start it. Normally what we do to uninstall an application, we just go to control panel, go to and we just click on the program what you want to uninstall. Like this, I want to uninstall this one. So I just have to click on it and there will be pop-up. Do you want to uninstall it? But it wouldn't have worked for you. That's why you are watching this video. So I'm not going to uninstall it by this way, so I'm just pressing no. One more way to uninstall it is just right click on it, go to open file location, just search for a file uninstall.exe and just click on it. If you will press yes, it will completely remove this file, but I'm not gonna press this. If this method won't work for you, then we are going to third method. For this we will use a software. Just open Chrome or any other web browser. Just type revo uninstaller. Here make sure you are on the link www.revouninstaller.com. Just click on it. Here you'll find this page. There are three versions and so many texts, tick 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 and all, free, pro and pro portable, and the pro portable price is 48.4 by now, but I'm happy with the free, so I'm just downloading the free portable. And why I'm downloading portable? Because there's no need to install this program. I just have to download it and I can run it directly, so I'm just downloading it. Can here I and here I'm just opening this folder. Actually it's already downloaded in my, like it's in .zip file. So what we need to do to just extract it, and here we go. And here we will find another folder with the same name, but it's not a zip folder. Just click on it one more time, and here you'll find some folders like lang, x64, x86, and one more .pdf file. And here you just have to click on revo uport.exe. Just click on it. This is the license agreement. Yes, I do agree. Press OK. Just maximize it. Here you'll find all the list of installed program. So I'm just finding my program what I need to uninstall, and here's my program. So just click on it, and here, are you sure you want to completely remove? Yes, of course. I'm just pressing yes. Press OK. And what's cool about this is after you are done installing a program, it's gonna allow you to do scanning modes between safe, moderate and advanced. You can choose anyone. Let's go ahead and try advanced. Just go to scan. It's gonna scan for anything left over from the application after you uninstall it. It may take some time. Oh, look at this. Even though you have uninstalled the application, it likes to leave leftovers in your registry file. So easiest way to get rid of this, First of all, maximize it. So click everything is bold here because they belong to the application. Since you have uninstalled the application, you didn't need this junk. It's just gonna slow down your system, so just click on it. Click on these files. So only click only the bold items because that's which actually part of the program. Don't click anything. Just press delete. Are you sure? Let me think. Yes, I am. Press yes. And here you'll find a list of leftover registry items. So just press select all and press delete. Are you sure? Yes, of course. That's completely removed, completely deleted from your system. You can either uninstall another application or just basically close out of it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, mention in the comment. Have a good day.